What up, YouTube? It's the boy Pit Boss here. We'll pick up from, I get these joints. In Trading Inc. Jordan Retro 7. Carolina Blue. Yeah. Alright, start off. Tongue, man. Pretty much, man. It's a dope shoe, man. Got this joint for my daughter, though. You know what I'm saying? The leather, if you can see that. It's real supple. Got a nice feel to it. I was kind of suspect on the boys, but yeah, they did it. They did it up. Real selling. Check the bottom. Bottom's kind of whack though. Oh, mamas, man. Got them and check out the back. That surprised me that this joint as dope as it is. You know, that and the tongue. I think the tongue's supposed to be a little higher than that, but you know, whatever. Still a fresh ass shoe. Check out the other one. If you can see, really ain't no glue problems anywhere on the joint. You know what I mean? This though, don't know. Really don't know. But yeah, Air Jordan is real official. Check him out. Bossy, you know. Yeah, first time, man, you know, I'm new to all that, man. Was doing my research thing, though, before I jumped in neck deep. Kind of cool motherfucker, though, you know. Got another pickup coming in a couple days, so I'll get right back with y'all. Till then, yeah, Pit Boss, sign out. 100.